What's up, guys? How's it going? This is Seth, your chartist. Welcome to Spy Weekly. I am on daily charts right here. Today is March 23rd, 2024, local time, 3:47 p.m. I will be analyzing Spy for this week. If you do like the analysis, make sure you follow me here on TradingView. Name is the Chartist. You can also follow me on YouTube, X, Instagram, and TikTok. Don't forget to press the bell icon on YouTube. This is my X account right here where I have been actively posting trades. You can follow me here. That's me. Let's start the analysis. It's going to be very interesting if you are keen like to learn technical analysis or you want to understand market. Trust me, you will love this analysis. Now I don't know how long the video is going to be because nothing is scripted. Whatever I'll see, I'll speak, and I will discuss the trades as well. All I need you to do is follow me. All right. That's pretty much it. uh, let's understand what's happening here on, first of all, weekly. So people who did the course and in the past, they know what's happening here. First of all, there is no loss of momentum on weekly, so market can go up from here. Okay, don't worry about it coming down. It can go up from here. I'm going to discuss two levels. One is 540 plus levels and 529. I'm going to discuss everything. I'm opening two windows which I will discuss now. So this is your demand zone, an average demand zone, and I've marked this. Let me turn on the drawings. So this is your weekly demand zone. Inside your weekly, the breakdown of this weekly is all this poor structure. But again, we do have a lot of momentum. Don't think that demand is the only thing which works. There is a lot of momentum in these candles, and I'm opening the window. Mark the date today. I'm opening the window on March 23rd, 2024 for 529 and then 543. Excuse me. But don't worry about all these. The thing is, we need to trade it as per our RR and then trade. Now, it's not going to happen tomorrow. That is going to go to 529, 543. First of all, understand the psychology here that whenever market is going up, whosoever added positions here, they are green now. Imagine you added position at 494, whether it is option or whatever stocks. So you added prices on this chart. Okay, I'm going to go a little bit off track now. We are This is all stock money. You need to understand this. And somebody is buying a stock which is at 512, 500, 400. So if somebody, for example, if somebody bought it at 497 and now the price is at 521, a person who's trading a $500 stock, you know he or she must not be trading 100 stocks or whatever, right? They have money, that's why they're moving the market. So understand, if somebody bought spy at 497 and now it is at 521, they are green, and they are green as crazy. They will try to book their profit, and if they do book, then a retracement is going to come. Okay, there is an indicator called ATR. Put it on your daily charts, you will understand. Don't trade that. Basically, it's going to tell you what is the average trading range. That is the short form. ATR is the short form for average trading range for a stock. So I don't do that, but I'm just telling you. It came to my mind right away, so I'm just telling you ATR. So you will understand, for SPY to go $10 up and down is very normal. If it comes here, trend is not going to change. It could be up. Now, let's forget these targets for now. What can happen Monday? Let's discuss that. For this week, let's discuss that. What can happen this week? So now, what I feel is price can retrace, because on weekly, I do see that there is some sort of selling that has come in, and I also feel that if you look here at RSI is about at 77. So people, again, I'm telling you this, people who say that market is overbought at 70, look here. Market was overbought at 70, and look here, right here, right, 70.84. Look at the price. This is the candle we are talking about. Okay, this is the candle 484. So price is continuously going up. So 70.30 doesn't work. Okay, so you need to understand. I'm just telling you so that you don't waste your money. Okay, now it's going up and it's going to go 80 whatever, but I don't see a loss of momentum. But the thing is, whenever this like I hope, I wish that price do retrace, then only I can create positions. But what I have noticed is that whenever RSI goes to new highs, which it did right now, right here on weekly charts, look here. So chances are it's gonna take a dip. Okay, if not this week, probably next week, it should take a dip. Okay, look here, it made a new high, dipped. Dipping does not mean that it's going to change the trend, but this is the dip. This is the dip. Whenever it goes to new highs, it will dip. It should dip. This is weekly. It's very bullish, super bullish. So do not short the market. Okay, retracements can come, but if you're shorting, you need to know where to stop if it goes up. If you don't know that, don't get into a trade. Okay, now let's go on daily. Inside that weekly demand zone, we have a poor, like average, below average demand zone, but we have a lot of momentum in these candles. Now I'm gonna minimize this. Let's understand. So my if I have to trade as per current price action, I will wait for this 510 level, put a stop loss here, 503. Yeah, I'm gonna put a stop loss here. I'm gonna show you the RR as well, and I will discuss the breakdown of these candles as well. So it's gonna be very interesting from now. So I'm gonna create, if I have to create positions, I might, I should wait for 510. Okay. And if okay, let's take the RR first. Let's understand. If you do enter at current price and you vouch, I'm telling you that it's gonna go to 529 for now. Let's put the target here. Now, if you enter and put your stop loss, I'm by stop loss, I mean that I need a daily closing under, this level, 504. So if I do get a daily closing, if it's a free fall, it's a free fall, but I need a closing here. That's my stop loss level. Now, if I do enter here, which is 521, and my target is right here, 529, look at the RR. Let's go up. Look at the RR. For every dollar, you're just making 47 cents. Makes no sense. Absolutely no sense. Okay, if you enter in this demand zone, from this demand zone, 1.5. I don't want that. Minimum a trader should look for is 1 is to 2. So I need to go down. Here, if I do enter here, okay, that's perfect. I might enter here. And if I do enter here, look at this, 1 is to 3 almost. Okay, I've told you 510. Let's go 510. 1 is to 3. So this is what in option RR means, because if it comes here, it should definitely fly. Now, I'm going to take this off. This black line is EMA 20. It says daily EMA. So if price comes here, it can move up from here. Okay. Without, and by the way, we have a poor demand zone here as well, but price can definitely move up from here. Now, uh, I will wait for this level, but in case if price comes here and if I do see any new fresh buying, I will definitely update, and it can happen as well. Now I'm going to show you one more thing. Uh, let's go Fibonacci as well. So look at this. Price can definitely come here to 516. Definitely, this is the first 50% ratio. These are all golden ratios. People who know Fibo, they know very well how Fibonacci works. But uh, Fibonacci is a very useful trading tool, which helps you to understand the retracements. Now 516 was a 50% level on daily charts. It can come, and I'm going to give you a range for weekly, for this week as well. Now understand, I'm going to break these candles down. So there was a this candle. Look here, this candle closed at 51495. So the next candle, which is Friday, this was Thursday, now this is Friday, this should have either gapped, like a little, could have gapped up a little bit somewhere here, or gapped down somewhere here, or could, like, usually if a candle is closing at 514 515, it should open, like logically it should open the next day at the same price, but it, in SPY, it never happens. So a little bit here and there is fine, but understand the next candle on Friday, March 15th, gapped down, and it gapped down and opened at 51021. So who did this activity? You and I cannot do it. Understand logically, it's the institutions that are doing it. Now they want to trap you. This is your demand, which was almost breached, poor demand. Okay, now they gapped it down. Then the next day they gap the market up, and then gap down, and then it starts going up. So my thing is that when it gapped down, imagine it this candle gap down, and it was a red candle. Let me zoom in. So this candle which opened here did a high and then started going down and ultimately closed here. It was a red candle, but then it closed, somewhere here around 509.83. So I feel, and it's logical also, somebody entered from closing, somebody started creating positions from closing to low. In this wick, positions were created by institution, and you understand that there is no one institution. They are also fighting, institutions are fighting among themselves as well. But understand, this was a red candle started going down, but somebody came in and started creating positions, long positions here. That's what pushed the price up, and this candle finally closed here. Now second day, it gaps up, opens here, and then comes down, and ultimately closes somewhere near the opening. uh, Again on Tuesday, the candle gaps down, makes a low. This is the low, but whosoever entered here, that individual is so strong, he or she is so strong that they are buying when price is coming down, because probably they know what the news is. So they are buying and protecting their long positions, because if somebody is shorting, and somebody powerful is shorting, and this person will lose if market goes down. So this person, whosoever entered here, is trying to protect his or her position, and that's why when it gapped down, that this person was buying, and ultimately we all started buying. Okay, but I discussed all these levels, and I clearly explained that market has a lot of momentum, it should go up. Okay, now this is an imbalance, not a very nice imbalance, but it is an imbalance. So I will enter here definitely. If anything comes up in the middle of the week, I will definitely come and discuss those levels as well. Now I'm going to give you the range as well. For me, if SPY, I'm going to show you my chart. What I feel, it's complicated. This is my chart. Okay, it's very very complicated, but understand this gray box. 25 means this week, which will start from 25th. So this would be the high, 527. This would be the low, and this yellow box, 522, 520, this could be your trading range for Monday. I'm not worried about this, but yeah, this gray box, make sure that you understand this. And this is your weekly trading box. And the last week was right here. I'm going to take it off now, but price was holding all these levels. Look at this, and it started going up, and once it gives us a closing above this top resistance, then it flies. Now I've explained you Fibonacci. I've explained you the logics behind these candles. Okay, so why do you want to go long at current market price? Just wait and trade logically. What will happen if price doesn't come here? It will do something new. We can enter from there. But I've showed you that. Let me move this screen. I've showed you level one, level two. Okay, but again, I have mentioned the stop loss levels as well. So make sure you follow the rules and then trade. Okay. Um, Video is almost 15 minutes long. If you did understand some logics, make sure you follow me here, and then on X, then on YouTube, then on Instagram and TikTok. And don't forget to press the bell icon on YouTube, and don't forget to follow me on X, because I am actively posting trades on X. All right. Take care, guys. Have a wonderful trading week ahead. Bye bye.